ikaw, Senator De La Rosa, did I ever tell you to shoot a criminal na defenseless na nahuli na ninyo?
Never in my whole life, Mr. President. I can tell you, Mr.
May
Chairman.
sinabi ba ko sa inyo na isalvage ninyo yung tao?
Never, Mr. President.
Alam mo bakit? Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, huwag ninyong gawin yan kasi yung karma. Babalikan tayo ng babalikan. Kaya tayo umiiwas eh.
But Mr. President, I would like to make it clear na meron akong napatay sa Davao in a legitimate encounter
Yes, alam ko.
because you instructed me to operate against these people. Kaya